It's a cold afternoon in January and we're retired, and so we can have the oven on to warm the house up a bit. I'm going to make a banana tea bread, one of our favourites. All our friends like this, so hopefully it'll turn out as well as usual. So here are my ingredients. We have got flour, caster sugar, eggs, butter, very important, walnuts, lovely ingredient in there, bananas and baking powder. And I think that's everything we need. Very important to get your tin ready properly. So I have some greaseproof paper here, that might just fit in there, and some butter, which I'm just going to rub in the bottom to make it sticky, so that the greaseproof paper will stick in. And then maybe this piece will fit in there. That's good, just fits in nicely. And I need to do the sides as well, I think. So this will stick on the sides here. I don't think it really matters at all. Areas are not covered. So it looks nice. I think that'll do. Lining is better at room temperature, but I've only just taken this out of the fridge because I've only just decided to make it. So I'm just going to put it in the microwave for a few seconds. So if you've seen my videos before, I don't really weigh things. I know I should, but I don't. And I haven't got a machine to mix these together, so I'm just going to do it by hand. Laura's got a really good machine for making cakes, but I've just got me. So I need about 7 spoons of this, I would say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is silver spoon caster sugar, courtesy of, I think, Nice Price, probably. Let's sieve it in. That needs filling up again in a minute. In goes the butter, which is a little bit melted after being in the microwave. And I'm going to cream it in. Always like to use my bone handle fork for this. A bit of So with a little bit of help from my husband and the microwave, we have some nice creamy butter and sugar creamed together. So the butter and sugar is creamed, and now we're going to add the flour and the eggs. So I'm going to break an egg into here, and this is a remnant of Steve's school days. Periodic table there. I don't know what's the pH of an egg.
I hope it's pretty neutral.
So I'm going to add 2 spoons of flour, 1, 2, sieve it in, and 1 beaten egg. Just actually like making a Victoria sponge. Give it a good stir. This is the small fork. So we have 1 egg and the flour still beaten. Lovely consistency. On. Ready for number 2. Another egg. In fact, I'm going to cheat and do them both together. Why not? And stir. Add some more flour. very much. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I put 2 spoons of flour in for each egg. And then some baking powder here, which I'm going to add. A teaspoon. Teaspoon of baking powder. And sieve it in. The eggs in. And gently stir. I remember doing a song at school once called The Big Machine or something, which was about making a cake. And one little boy said, "Mrs. Bagley, I don't like eggs." He couldn't believe eggs went into a cake. He says, "But I like cake." It looks nice. Here we have the nice mixture ready for the bananas and the walnuts. Really nice consistency. So next, the most important ingredient, these delicious bananas. So obviously you peel the banana. We've actually had some fruit given to us today by my friend Sylvia. I just want to show you what they are. And these are from her tree. Thank you, Sylvia. And these are kumquats. And actually I've had one after lunch today, and you actually eat the peel in these. So these are kumquats. So anyway, the bananas, back to the bananas. The bananas actually would be better being a little bit riper, but as I said, I didn't really intend making this, so they're not very ripe. But they're okay, they'll do. Just going to be a bit more hard work mashing these up. So there's the bananas ready to mash. I'm just going to cut them up a bit with a fork first of all. So I've got this little tool here that I think might be American. This was given to me by my friend Jeannie, and actually it's done quite a good job mashing those bananas up. This is what I used to do when all my children were little. I used to have mashed up bananas, but you don't do that anymore. You give them real bananas from the word go. No need to mash up food anymore for children, as Luna and Savannah have shown us. So, nicely mashed up banana there. Into the walnuts. So I'm going to cut the top off them. I'm actually going to use all of these because we really like walnuts. And what we need to do is choose about 5 for the top. 5 nice ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, get a bigger one. 4, 5. So we save those. Put these back in here. Oops. This is where you have to be careful. Now I'm going to make them a bit smaller. Sometimes I put these in another bag to do this, which I can seal. Sometimes the bag splits open as well, and that's can be a bit of a mess. Sometimes you hit your thumb. That'll do, I think. I'm going to stick them into here. Just have a look and see if there's any very big ones. I might make them a bit smaller. But they're always nice in here. And I'm going to put the banana in. Good stir together. Lovely consistency there. it. So all ready in here, really nice, ready to go in the tin, which I prepared at the beginning if you remember, so we put it all in. It just fits nicely into this loaf tin. No little children around to lick the bowl. Just spread it out. Push it into the corners, and then just to top it over we do 1, 2, 3, I should have done 6 actually, 4, 5, and there we have it. So we're going to put it in the oven now for about an hour and see what happens. So, ready to see what it looks like when it's finished. The big oven here, which is very nice to have at Christmas time, although we weren't here at Christmas, and in it goes in the middle of the oven, and we say, Alexa, set timer for 1 hour. And she doesn't listen. Alexa, set timer for 1 hour.
1 hour, starting now.
And that's it. So the banana tea bread has been in for just under an hour, and I take it out, turn the oven off. You see that it looks pretty nice. I've got my
Delicious.
skewer here. Stick it in. Nothing comes out.
Must be dead by now.
So there it is. So there's the banana tea bread, and this plate, which was a present from Laura's friend Victoria for our silver wedding, I think, or golden wedding or something, whatever it was.
Golden?
Not golden, not quite. This fits beautifully on there, just to let you know. So we're going to have a piece with a cup of coffee very soon, if Mr. Bagley's lucky. So the cookery book that I'm using is one of my favourites, and it's really, really old, and it's the Biro cookbook, which I've had for many, many years.